Hey guys, in this video, I'm sitting down with Sasha Wiss, who is the president of PMI Switzerland. He comes with 20 years of experience in project and program management in the life science industry. He's both PGMP and MSP certified. In this video, I ask him the application process of PGMP certification.
All right, let's talk about the application process of PGMP. So what all do I need to do? What all paperwork is required to, apply for the PGMP exam?
Oh my God, this will be a long video. So I think to understand the pain you have to go through, when I applied for the PGMP, I applied in April.
Okay.
And the approval to go to the exam, I got in October.
Wow.
So yeah, there's a lot of time in between, and there was happening a lot in between.
Mm-hmm.
So the first thing is you go to pmi.org as for any PMI certification, and you open the application process for the PGMP, and you enter there all your experience, so all the program, including the hours that you have done. And take your time, please.
Mm-hmm.
Don't just, okay, so just a few words. If they don't really see the essence in there, if they feel it's not really well defined, or there's still an ambiguity, is it now a program, is it not? Based on, they will just reject it, come back, and you can restart or improve it. So please take your time and really extensively describe the programs that you have done. Mm-hmm. And that is the core. There's obviously a lot of other information you have to enter, but the program management experience that you have, that is really the core that you have to enter.
Okay.
So when you have done that, when you pushed the send button, then as you might know from the PMP, for the people who have done the PMP, there's a chance that you get audited. Yeah. And for a PMP, there's a rumor that about 20% of all applications are audited. Mm-hmm. For the PGMP, there's a rumor, I cannot confirm that it's true, that 100% of all applications are audited.
Right, yeah.
I was audited myself. So from that point, I could say it indicates that it really is like that. Mm-hmm. So what does audit mean? Audit means that PMI will go through all the programs that you have done and requests that you name a line manager or program sponsor who will confirm that you actually have done what you claim you have done. Mm-hmm. And from that, it is almost 100% chance that this happens to you. Please, before you even send this application away, ensure that for the programs that you state, first of all, you still have or still are in contact with one of the line managers, program sponsors. Yeah. Otherwise, you have an issue afterwards to prove it. And also get in contact with them. Send them a printout of what you want to actually state, how many hours, how the program was described, and ask them, hey, would you be willing, in the case that I'm audited, to sign this? Do you feel that's accurate? Right. Because there's nothing worse than if even only one person actually rejects that, and you will not know that because they will send it in a closed envelope. You don't know what they write in there, and it could have severe implications for you if that happens. So just check that in front, that every line manager responds with what you will send. Okay, so let's hope you pass the audit, and the next thing will be a panel review. So in your application, you have to write a few essays about certain topics within program management.
And this is not the case with PMP. This is totally different from PMP, right? Okay.
Yes. This is totally different. And so then some peers, so some other program managers who hold a PGMP, will then review your essays. Wow. And only if they approve them, then you will get to the next round. Otherwise, your application is rejected and you have to start from the beginning.
Wow. Okay.
And if you have actually passed the panel review, then the last stage will be the exam.
Okay. Wow. So quite an extensive process even in the application side. Yeah.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video we did with Sasha and got value out of it. Smash that like button if you did and let us know. Also, do you have any other questions related to PGMP or MSP? Check out both the playlists in the description below and you'll have your answers. But if you still have questions, drop them in the comments and we'll try to reach out to Sasha again. Thank you.